Anak,
Hello!
I have something to give you. Happy birthday.
Where's my other gift?
Read it.
Happy birthday, Angela. Hey, happy birthday, Angela. Wow.
Surprise. Diba?
Thank you. Happy 8th birthday, my beautiful girl. Heart, heart, heart. Heart, heart, heart. Yeah, correct. You are growing into such a smart and kind. You are God's precious gift to us. Every day with you makes our hearts so happy and thankful. May God always protect you, guide your steps, and fill your heart with love and joy. Your daddy and I love you very much, heart. Mommy, heart.
Your daddy and I love you so
Wow.
much. I love you. Na-flat siya. Ayan si
Ay, wait, what's this? What's this? Or what's there's one more.
flower, no?
Kasi sa akin. Saan ko nailagay?
Si Daddy. Mute the sound, Mom. So that they cannot hear.
Wala yung sa akin.
And also this one, guys. This one more there. This one, guys, is from Grand Bay View Hotel. Thank you, guys. Let's open it. Angela Rome. What? Angela Rome. This Angela Rome. It's gonna break now. I'm too excited. What's this? What?
What is that?
Happy 8th birthday, Angela Rome. Heart. Heart, Daddy and Mommy loves you so much.
Oh.
Heart. And then there's candy.
Okay.
And more candy.
Candy and more candy.
Ay,
This is my favorite.
White rabbit.
yeah, my God.
Red rabbit or white rabbit?
For you na.
What? Just starting with a triangle.
Triangle.
It's a triangle. Just big triangle. And then let's open. What?
Ba't gumagalaw?
Okay.
Ah, sige.
What?
Wow.
Open here. Di ba mahilig ka sa ganyan? Okay.
Open here. Oh, how to open? Happy birthday, my baby Angela. What? And more? There's more? What in the world? Nice. Okay. Let's open all.
Ay, wow. Maba.
Hindi ba ba? Konti lang matigil sa'yo.
Dear baby Angela, I wish you on your birthday that you always be a good girl and keep it up. Remember that Daddy and Mommy always here for you, no matter what. No matter what. You will always be our baby ever you grow
Even.
older. Even you grow older. Wish you a good health. We love you so much. Love. Love. Daddy and Mommy. Hello.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kiss na, kiss na. How about mommy?
Keep it.
Daddy, daddy, daddy.